I'm Hillary.
I'm the ex-wife.
I'm the new wife.
And this is the dishonest truth. No, I can't do it. I don't know where I start and you begin. Just a few short months ago, we couldn't even sit by each other at my son's basketball games.
And yet, here we are, sitting on my couch, giving you guys something to talk about. We can't sit together at basketball games, but
No.
we can touch arm fat.
So for the last 5 years, we have been on quite a journey together, learning how to co-parent with each other and blending our family.
And little did we know, while we spent the last 5 years wanting to throat punch each other, we actually have a lot in common.
So recently we have formed an unlikely friendship over our love of DIY and all things home decor, and here we are.
If you'd like to follow along while we continue this crazy journey, co-parenting with each other and decorating our houses, join our Instagram family. We have no idea what we're doing, but it's gonna be fun.
La, 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 la.
So follow us, The Dishonest Truth, ex-wife, new wife.